Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your device and environment. Confirm your phone runs Android 8 or later, or a compatible iOS build. Ensure battery above 50%, and connect to fast Wi-Fi. Then install the Wallpaper Engine Companion app from the store and grant storage and network permissions so assets load properly. Once done, make sure your PC with Wallpaper Engine is on the same network if you plan to stream or sync. This avoids transfer delays and permission errors later. Now you move content and configure settings. Transfer your chosen wallpapers via USB, Wi-Fi streaming, or cloud sync from the desktop app. You should then open the companion app, import the file, and inspect resolution and FPS, lower both to save battery. Enable battery mode for background efficiency and toggle audio react if desired. Once configured, set the live wallpaper for home and lock screens, assign tap gestures, and choose a performance preset so visuals look great without draining resources. Finish by validating stability. Reboot your device, open apps that use GPU, and confirm the live wallpaper persists across restarts. If you encounter crashes or black screens, clear the app cache, lower resolution and FPS, disable intensive features like audio react, then relaunch. Make sure the companion app is excluded from aggressive battery optimization and has storage and background permissions. This prevents the OS from killing the process. If problems persist, reinstall the companion app and retry the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.